Greetings, I'm Ms. Kingsley, and in this video we're going to be going over third grade Mountain Math Set 9, problems 6 through 9. As always, the idea is that you do them first prior to you watching me do them. Okay, here we go. Number 6. 10 times 6 equals what number? Well, 10 times 6, I think most of you know your tens facts. We're going to count up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That would be 6 tens. Okay, so that is our answer for number 6. Number 7 is, what is the equation true or false? Circle true or false. 1 times 8 equals 8 times 1. So this is the commutative property. And if you did not know that, you could also solve this by just solving the answer on each side and see that 1 times 8 is 8 and 8 times 1 is 8. And so this is a true statement. Okay, let's do number 8. This is our in-out box where we have to figure out what is happening when we're in there. So this is where we need to figure out which operation are we going to use, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Notice that when we start with 6, it ends up as 3, start with 8, ends up as 4. The number is getting smaller. So we can't use addition, which would make it bigger, and we can't use multiplication, which would make it bigger. So we're either using subtraction or division. 6, the difference between 6 and 3 is 3, but when we go to 8, that doesn't work. 8 take away 3 is not 4. So we're really dealing with division, and we can see eventually that this is divided by 2 each time. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, and our missing number is 6. Hope you got that one. Okay, here we go for our last one. This is kind of hard because I don't know that you've really studied the metric system where we measure in grams instead of ounces and pounds, but this will give you an idea. They're asking about what does this weigh, this being a brick. So I'm going to modify this and say a small brick to get the answer that they want us to do here, which is 1 kilogram. So we would write this like this. You could abbreviate it or you could write out the whole word. And I just want to give you an idea of about what weighs a kilogram. And a kilogram is a bit more than 2 pounds. If you know pounds well, a bit more than 2 pounds. And in our customary system, and other things that might weigh about a kilogram are 7 apples. That could give you a sense about how much weight that is. Or 1.5 loaves of bread. So you'll learn more about the metric system later, but that gives you a little sneak preview. Okay, and that is it for today for these lessons. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time.